You are probably a new entrepreneur somewhere around this challenging and competitive world, hoping to succeed in starting a business but fear the risk of losing your savings or investment, maybe even facing the embarrassment of failing. So, you are looking for a small business idea that will generate a lot of money for you with the highest chance of success. Well, you are at the right place, and we did all the research for you. Welcome to Hustle and Grind, the YouTube channel for dynamic, enthusiastic entrepreneurs and purposeful individuals. Today we will be discussing 6 golden business ideas that proven time and again to have low failure rates. Let's also analyze why so many of these small business fail. To get that answer, let's start the countdown at business idea number 6. Residential and commercial rentals. If you are looking for a safe and long-term investment, this business is for you. Whether it's residential or commercial tenants, short-term contracts are usually in place, normally year leases for residential and 3 to 5 years for commercial. This business also requires little maintenance with steady returns and reliable tenants. The commercial real estate market is estimated at 20.5 billion rand with a compound annual growth rate of 10.5%. The residential market size is estimated at $18.1 billion with a rental price growth of 4.84%. To thrive in this business, one must find the right property, not forgetting its marketability, location, also state laws associated with your investment. The property rental space has a 90% success rate in South Africa, as tenants pay for your mortgage, simultaneously offering you passive income. Number 5. Self-storage facilities. The self-storage business is ideal for entrepreneurs who require a low-risk, self-sustaining and profitable business, but this doesn't come cheap to establish. A self-storage facility is an attractive investment because of the relatively low operating costs. It requires less upkeep than an office building or multifamily complex, for instance, and demands less overhead, namely in the form of labor, than most other kinds of income-generating real estate. South Africa's self-storage industry is still very young. Though there are some major players, they mostly operate in the region's 6 biggest cities: Bloemfontein, Cape Town, Durban, Johannesburg, Pretoria, and Port Elizabeth. The average price for public self-storage is 48 Rand per square meter, meaning one can pay 700 to 800 Rand for an 18 square meter unit. There's a huge variance in price depending on the location, anything from 600 to 2,500 per month or even more. Globally, the self-storage sector is valued at approximately $40.73 billion, and it is expected to increase to $53.92 billion United States dollar by 2026. Number 4. Home repairs and renovation. No matter one's income status or location, homeowners always need some form of repair or development done on their property. That's why this business is so appealing to them, especially if one has outstanding renovation skills like laying down interior tiles, plumbing installations, paint application, and performing complex remodeling projects. A handyman always come handy to property owners. The South African construction market size was valued at $25.5 billion in 2022 and is expected to achieve an AAGR of more than 3% from 2024 to 2027. If you are new to this field, start off by working for construction companies, gather skills and learn as much as you can, then you can consider branching out on your own. Alternatively, you can learn minor jobs by assisting elderly people around your neighborhood with things like changing light bulbs, unclogging sinks, and installing doors. Number 3. Food business. Whether you are selling cooked or essential food products, you are on the side of success. Even during recession, consumers never spend less on food items, as it is part of our daily essentials. The food business has a wide range of business opportunities, ranging from restaurants, food trucks, agri-processing, meal kit business, and agriculture. South Africa highlights revenue in the food market is projected to reach $479 million in 2023 with an expected growth rate of 4.4%. With a proven and tested model, the food industry will never go out of business. Number 2. Healthcare. The medication and healthcare industry falls under essential human products and services like food, housing, and clothing. Everyone needs medication, diagnostics, and treatment to tackle light flu or chronic diseases. Entrepreneurs must find a niche in this particular sector, like starting a pharmaceutical business. If you are a healthcare professional, you can take advantage of the growing $4.6 billion business by conducting home consultation, counseling, and tablet supply services. You can also create rehab centers, as the industry has much more to offer. Create a website and direct people to your site and boost your bank balance. Number 1. Transport business. The logistics business is a lucrative and viable business to start. Whether you are transporting goods or human passengers, you are guaranteed a passive income. The South Africa freight and logistics market is segmented by end-user industry: agriculture, fishing and forestry, construction, manufacturing, oil and gas, mining and quarrying, wholesale and retail, and by logistics function: courier, express and parcel, freight forwarding, freight transport, warehousing and storage. The South Africa freight and logistics market size is estimated at $22 billion in 2023 and is expected to reach $31 billion by 2029, growing at a CAGR of 6% during the forecast period 2023 to 2029. The South African transportation and logistics industry contributed 9.3% to the GDP in 2020 and steadily showing industry growth. Thank you for watching and reaching the end of the video. If you are new and learning from the channel, help us grow by smashing the subscribe and like button, and remember to share your thoughts and questions below.